yours here right now, the kind of night we dream about. Oh, oh, oh.
Welcome to the Limitless Mid-Year Sales Rally and Gala Night ng VMB Marketing Incorporated.
Alam ko marami ho sa inyo, you went here, galing kayo sa malalayong lugar, and this is a day of celebration.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, VMB Builders!
Love like we never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
I can say this is a milestone, hindi lang sa company, kung hindi pati sa lahat ng distributors, leaders, at achievers ng company.
This night is not about just recognition. It's about building relationships and strengthening our bonds as family. So let's celebrate to teamwork, to perseverance, and to limitless possibilities. Cheers to everyone and make this night unforgettable.
Love like we never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
Remember, the only limits that exist are the one we impose in ourselves. Let's shatter those limits and aim higher. Together, we can create a future where our ambitions know no bounds.
Time flies.
Sabi ni Boss RDR, nakukuha daw ang pangarap. Tototohanin ko yung pagbabagong buhay na dapat gawin ko. Yung pangarap abot kamay. Doon sa mga tao na seryoso, determinado, at higit sa lahat, sa mga taong totoong may paniniwala sa Diyos, lagi mong tatandaan, deserving mo yung buhay na gusto mo. Kunin mo na. Maraming salamat.
One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're